I'm wondering where the day went. The clouds have me shrouded in crape, but I'm still out pounding the pavement. Drowning the herb, I'm pounding around some brown paper. Drowning the label, now I'm drowning in paper. Work when I'm cool, I'm down, we found an escape from work. And I love it, cause that's when your hard work gets you. My heart bursts through my chest, I'm rescued. Hold on, fellas. So forget what the rest, you were blessed to do it to it, who were the best to do it to what I love.
Good. Well, it's 4:30. The lads are woken up and we're heading about 30 miles offshore to an active volcano. Hopefully this time to find the big dogs. Let's crack into it.
Expected the world, but it flew away from her reach. So she ran away in her sleep and dreamed of paradise.
Righto, so we're just in the process of putting some Rapalas out, and I'm about to put out the exact same Rapala that we caught a 60 kilo doggy on here about 6 or 7 years ago. So hopefully the exact same one, probably still got the tooth marks from the fish, can do the damage and we can get another big boy.
When she was just a girl, she expected the world, but it flew away from her reach, and the bullets catching her teeth. Life goes on, it gets so
Right there, pretty big pack attack, so who knows what it could be. Yeah, keep cranking, good stuff. On ya. Had some surface hits on the popper. That's it. Go real nice and smooth now, we've got him up. So unless he starts taking line, we don't need to go too crazy. ID? Nah, just good colour. Big trevally.
Oh, it's a big head knot.
Head nod.
Hold on.
Looks like it's...
Yep. Looking back.
Oh yeah, it's a nice GT. Big GT. Nice one.
Right, then you get that out there like, what the hell?
Right, Finn, bring it on board.
Ready? Double tail.
2, 1. Yeah! Nice GT.
Nice, Mitch.
Good stuff, boy.
Oh, look.
Nah, you've got to get that up. Nice. Get up. Epic. Good up, boy. Alright, nice GT to start the morning. Get it back in the water. Yeah, get him in there.
Oh, nice.
Well done, fellas.
Job, Mitch.
Troll back across that ledge. Well, we're still trolling. I've had one hook up and close. Didn't feel very big, but still been a bit of fun. Anyway, we're going to keep chipping away and try some jigging and deep drops in a bit, and get back in the water when the current's running a bit more. Yeah, better get the GoPro out.
Yeah, got it on, got it on.
Yeah, get that one in, mate. Yeah, that's a nice fish. Get out, yeah, get it, start going out as quick as you can, Finn. Yep. Right, make sure that. Maybe not too. That'll go, Finn, not too much more.
Nice, boys, we're on, eh?
I need either the gimbal or...
Yeah, I got it.
Support. Can you drop it back there? Yeah. You just got to get ready to really tight. Mine like muggery.
Drop them in, Gabe.
Alright, that'll do on the that'll do. I'll just let you know as much as keeping it tight.
Yeah, 60.
Well, it's been a pretty bloody slow morning so far, and finally we've made connection and we've stuck. It seems like a good fish, really. He's putting up a pretty good battle. Hopefully we can get him in and he's something with a good bit of size.
It's on the 80, so should we pull in the...
Yeah, pull in that. That'll get tangled.
Billy, what have you got to say to Mitch?
Oh, bloody good.
Put some hurt on it, Mitch!
Yeah, there we go. Yeah, got colour. Looks a bit more toner-ish. That's a head knot.
If it's a release, Gabe, I'll swap you.
Yeah.
I'm in front of the boat.
Roger. Forward, Dad, forward. Good bit of forward. Yeah, nah, it's a tuner, I think. Yeah, it's a big dog. It's a huge dog. It's really big. Alright, big dog.
Oh, big dog.
Alright, it's gonna go, it's gonna really go. Alright.
Big dog. We're gonna gap him?
Yeah,
Yeah, gap him.
Hell yeah. Right. Keep it tight. Yeah, I don't have bleeder gloves. I don't have bleeder gloves. Yeah, I don't have bleeder gloves. Go.
I got a glove on. Okay,
Right, so keep coming.
I need to swap with you, Gabe.
Yeah, got it.
Yeah, nice. Holy yeah. Big doggy. Huge dog.
Yeah.
Alright, okay. We want to go.
Yeah, that's a solid 25-30 kegger. I need the bin open.
You want me to put another gap on him?
Nah, it's all good. Nah, oh actually, yes, please. Yeah, another gap. Big dog. Yeah, nah, I need another gaff as quick as you can. Give me the flying gaff. Let's get it in his, in his tail. That side is fine. Tail? Yeah, that's fine. Is it ripped in? Yeah. Alright, make sure that bin's open and all the rods are clear.
You don't want to re-gap yours?
Nice big dog. We're absolutely frothing. So sick. Big boy.
Right, let's be real careful. Ready?
Yeah.
You comfortable?
One. Yeah! We got the one we were after! Finally! 6 days in Tonga and we got him! Oh! It looked like all hope was lost, but we've done it! That's a monster! Well done! Mitch! Well done!
Good shit, boys.
We finally got the big dog!
Beautiful fish.
Oh, yes! Oh! It's taken a few days. That is so sick.
It's a beautiful fish.
Absolute ripper. Now we can settle down.
Alright, well, after Mitch has got his doggy, we've gone to a different spot and we've got the jigs out. Hey, Bill.
I'll just get jiggy with it.
Bring it.
We're gonna catch some fish. Well, we're gonna hook up some fish. Probably right landing, I think. Anything else need to go up there or we're all good?
Bloody good.
Right, so we're just coming onto the upcurrent side of this big reef. Bombs away. Best of luck to you, sir.
On your mark, ready, set, let's go. Dance for pro, I know, you know, I go psycho when my new joint hit. Just can't sit, gotta get jiggy with it. That's it, now honey, come ride. DKNY, all up in my eyes. You gotta try to bag with a lot.
Boys are just chopping the jigs back down again. Hopefully oh my god, there's a lot of sign. Hopefully we can have a hookup and they don't get smoked.
What do you reckon, Bill?
Yeah, hopefully hook up, yeah. Oh, you know, fishing in 400, so better get the electric reel out. I don't know how the boys are jigging it. Bloody hell, that must be tough. It's only 90 metres.
Getting jiggy with it. Getting jiggy with it. What? You on the ball with your kids?
bad fish
Watch your
actually.
step, you might fall trying to do what I did. Mama, in the middle of the club with the no love for the haters, the haters. If I got 4 seats at the Lakers, even on the 50-yard line with the Raiders. Met Ali, he told me I'm the greatest.
These markets are struggling and it's brought up some pretty big fish in the bar.
Play another from the president, sure highness. Only bad chicks riding my whip.
Saying got colour.
To the north, bump my hips so I can go off and get set sharp. You know, stop in the winter order. I make it high, getting jiggy with it. Getting jiggy with it. Getting jiggy with it. Getting jiggy with it. 850 IS.
You need the long ones. Those are for work. There it goes. It's gone.
Getting jiggy with it. Getting jiggy with it.
Yeah, sweet.
Alright, what's going on? Ready to jump in the water? Just got the latte, we'll set it up and ready to go. Let's jump in and do it.
It's huge! Swim out! Swim out! It's huge!
That's the way you do it.
Huge, doggy! It's huge! We need everyone! Grab the gun!
Hey Dad, another float line?
It's 40, 50 kilo.
Now, where you go?
Yeah. I'm gaining, but I really need help. Pull this. No. This gun's ready if we need it. Finn! Finn, another shot! Finn, are you ready? Dad, this is ready! Dad, this is ready! Yes!
Oh my god! That's huge! Oh my god! Oh yes! Oh my god! Oh, we got him! We got him on the spear!
Alright fish, is he?
Yeah, he's not bad! Oh my god! Going anywhere anyway.
Let's go find this gun and then let's slow down after that, eh? Oh, God. Oh my god! Well, Finn was doing it a burley, and it wasn't, the fish had all kind of disappeared, all the fusiliers and whatnot. And I seen a jobby kind of come through burley. I thought, oh, I'll just do a wee drop. I was way away from the flasher. Went down, it was just dead as. And then I was like, oh right, I'll come up and just see if anyone else wants a wee swim or what needs to happen next. And then next minute I just see this barrel followed by one about half the size just beeline it straight in for me. And he came kind of just within range, and I just pushed out an extra meter, just boom. Thought I hit him in a nice spot, and then all hell broke loose. Okay. Pretty gnarly. Me and Riley both had the float line come down on top of us into our weights and pull us both under.
I was on the surface and I was hanging on to it because I was like, someone yelled line, I started bursting for it, and then I grabbed it with my knife and I just went straight down.
Yeah.
I was like, oh fuck, trying to rip it out.
There's no wake up call to be very, as soon as someone pulls the trigger.
Like that, I'll tell you underwater.
Oh yeah.
100 meters before you know it.
Yeah.
You got it, Finn? Well, we're out of the water now after potentially one of the better dives I've ever had.
After an unreal day in the water, eh?
Just an unbelievable result.
Perfect day, team.
And we're just doing our final wee pack-ups.
End of an epic day.
Just unbelievable. Can't fathom it. It's ridiculous. Righto, so we're back at the wharf now. It's just been potentially one of the greatest days. And I'm not really sure how to put it into words, but we'll show you plenty of action, that's for sure. We've got this absolute beast. I'd pick him up for you if I could, but it takes a hell of a lot of effort. And we've got one that's also not too far off. Look at those for a couple of absolute slobs. Gigantic dogtooth tuna. Unbloody real. What a day 6 and a final day, eh? You. Boom. Well, this is the end of our 6-day journey up here in the northern reaches of Tonga. We have had an unbelievable 6 days, and to finish off with these fish and many, many more is just ridiculous. We've taken a big handful of incredible fish. It's all gone to use. It's been all given away and it's been consumed, and we are just high on life. This is ridiculous.
I don't know what else to say. This is perfect. Speechless.
Oh well. We'll see you on the next big trip, eh?
Let's get it started in here.
And the bass keeps running, running, and 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 in this contact, sex. There's no disrespect, so when I bust my rhyme, you break your necks. We got 5 minutes for us to disconnect from all intellect and let the rhythm effect to lose the inhibition. Follow your intuition, free your inner soul and break away from tradition. Cause when we be out, girl, it's pulling me out. You wouldn't believe how we wow. Burn it till it's burned out, turn it till it's turned out. Acting up from northwest, east side. Everybody, everybody, let's get into it. Get stoked, get started, get started. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Lose control, our body and soul. Don't move too fast, people just take it slow. Don't get ahead, just jump into it. Y'all hear about it, the P's will do it. Get started, get stupid. Don't worry about it, people will walk you through it.
Holy shit, I gotta get a look at this thing.